Hello everyone. Welcome to e-bike updates, and in this video we will look into an affordable high-performance commuter e-bike. Arielrider Rideal is an affordable electric bike with high-performance components yet simple and user-friendly controls. Equipped with double-wall chain ring that keeps pants clean, anti-puncture tires with reflective sidewalls and integrated lights help smooth ride and night visibility, low-maintenance Shimano 6-speed drivetrain for easy gear shifting. It is available in high-step and mid-step frames with 3 color options. Battery is removable for charging at your desk. Fork design makes installing fenders super easy. You can add a rack easily, and the light extension cable helps you attach backlight to the rack to ensure safety. Attach pannier bags, push down to secure them on the rack in no time. Attach a basket to the rack securely with 4 bolts just in seconds. Consider subscribing if you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.